Ellie, what are you doing, honey?
Gathering all this
For what?
for Fergie to know it's here.
You girls love Fergie?
Wait, if we gather it up right here in the pile.
And now how are you going to give it to her?
Taking one.
Let me see.
Taking one.
She loves it?
It's still. Oh no.
No, oh, that's so nice, Ellie. You put it in her mouth? You love her? Good job. Let me see you feed her again. Oh, you girls love Fergie? No, let her finish that one. No. Ellie, go on the other side. Ellie, go on the other side. I can't see you.
She's eating. Mama, eat mine.
Yeah, let me see.
You have to wait. Wait.
Nice.
No,
Good job. Say good girl, Fergie.
You don't do that. I know, but isn't it?
Ellie, just put it in your hand.
She doesn't like me.
Yeah, she loves you.
Well, she's not. Hey, he already bites my hand.
No. Ellie, just put it in your hand.